Look, this is a video on linear equation, students. This is very important part, linear equation. Almost in all respect we need linear equation. But I have seen that there are so many students, they are facing some problem for solving linear equation. Okay. So this is not for only for class 8, this is for 7, 8, 9, 10. Very basic part. I have I have copied 4 to 5 sums here. That will do. If you need, I will upload another one video also. Start with 3 part 1. Look, I am doing this one. 3 part 1. Most easy one. How to do this type of sums. Here y is the variable, right? 5y minus 2, y minus 3, y minus 5 equal to 6. What to do? It is the linear equation in one variable. Look, one variable is there. What we have to find? We have to find the variable, that is y. That means the first thing is that we at first will remove all brackets and try to keep the variable in one side and try to keep the constant in other side. Then we will go and we will find the value. For finding the value, there are so many rules to be followed. So whenever I am solving the sum, I will tell you it's better. Okay. So look, this one we have to find. What we have to do first? 5y minus 2. Look, this is third bracket. Keep it third bracket y minus. This is first bracket. Go for first bracket. Minus 3 into y minus 3y minus minus plus 15. Right? This is equal to 6. Now 5y minus 2. This is y minus 3y is minus 2y plus 15 equal to 6. That means 5y minus a plus 4y, right? And minus 2 into plus 15 minus 30 equal to 6. That means 5 plus 4, 9y equal to 30 plus 6. Look, sides are changing. One thing I want to say. Here, minus 3y is approaching this side, right? That means side change. There will be sign change. Here is minus 30. So in this, whenever it will transfer to this side, it will be plus. If it is plus, whenever it will transfer this side, it will be minus. That's the opposite side. So now 9y equal to 36. So what we have to find? Y. That means 9 into y. 9y means 9 into y. So this 9 will go this side, but there is no minus because it is in the form of multiplication. So in this side it will go for division. The 9y means 9 into y. So 9 is in the product of y. So whenever the side is changing, we will divide it. 4. That means y equal to 4. What you have to write? Answer. The required solution is required solution is y equal to 4. Okay. Now we go to the next one. This one finished. Okay. Now we'll do 3 part 2. That is a very easy one. 3 part 2. Right? 3 part 2 I am doing. 0.3 into 6 minus x equal to 0.4 into x plus 8. Look, only 2 parts there. So one thing, to remove point, whatever we do, 3 by 10 into 6 minus x equal to 4 by 10 into x plus 8, right? You can directly multiply this one also. There is no problem. But there is so many points, 0.3x, 1.8. Now multiplying both sides by 10. So what you are getting? 10 by 10 into 6 minus x equal to 4 by 10 into x plus 8. Why? Because the LCM of this one and this one is 10. 10 cancel, 10 cancel. Now it is a very easy one. 3 into 6 is 18 minus 3x equal to 4 into x plus 32. Now minus 3x, this 4x will come this side, so plus will be minus equal to 32. This 18 will go this side, that means minus 18. So it is coming minus 7x. It is coming minus 14, right? So minus cancel, or you can write 7x equal to 14 or x equal to 14 by multiplying both sides by minus. No, multiplying both sides by minus 1. So plus 7x plus 14. So 7x will be x equal to, don't say minus, multiply both sides minus 1, 14 by 7. So that is 2. So x equal to 2. So required solution, x equal to 2. Now we go to the next one. We will go to 4 part 1. 4 part 1. That is very, very important. 4 part 1. This one is finished. Okay. Now 4 part 1. How to do 4 part 1? Look, this is 1, 2, 3. So what we will do, x minus 1 by 3 minus x plus 2 by 6 equal to 3. Why we are doing this? All variable are in the same side and the constant is the other side. Now this is a fraction. Subtraction of two fraction means we have to go for LCM. LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. Now divide 6 by 3. 3 to the 6. 2 into this one, right? Minus this one divide 1 into x plus 2, that is equal to 3. So we are getting 2x minus 2 minus x minus 2, right? Equal to 3. 2x minus x is x minus 4 equal to 6 into 3. This, it is in a division form. So whenever it will transfer in this side, it will be multiplied. That means x equal to 18 plus 4. That implies x equal to 22. So required solution. Answer, required solution is x equal to 22. Please check the calculation. X equal to 2x minus 2 minus x minus 2, 2x and x minus 4 at 80, right? This is the answer. Okay, this part is, now we'll left with these two sum. Look, this is 6 part 2. Actually, this is from ML Agarwal. All sums are from ML Agarwal class 8. Now this one, what to do? The LCM of 3 and 2, or you can do one thing, 3t minus 2 by 3 plus 2t plus 3 by 2 minus 3 equal to 7 by 6. All variables are in the same side. Now LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So divide this one 2 into multiply this one plus. This is dividing, we get 3 into 2t plus 3. Right? Minus 6t. 7 by 6. Look, both side multiply, you will, this 6 will be removed. So 2 into, that is 60. 60 minus 4 plus 60 plus 9, 3 is a 9, minus 60 equal to 7. Why? Look, this 6 cancel. That means multiplying both sides by 6 will remove this 6. So 60 plus 60, this 60 and this 60 is cancelled. So we are getting 60 plus 60 equal to 7 plus 4 minus 9, right? So 60 equal to 11 minus 9, that is 2, or t equal to 2 by 6, or t equal to 1 by 3. Please let me check. 2t plus by 2, t minus t, 6 is the LCM, 260 minus 4 plus 60 plus 9 minus 60 equal to 7 by 6, 6 multiplying both sides 6, cancel 60 plus, minus 9, 7 plus 4, this is plus 5, right, 2. This is the answer. So, answer t equal to 1 by 3. Now, that is here t is the variable, okay. It is not necessarily that all the time x and y will be the variable. Here we have to find the value of p. Look what we are doing. One thing you can do, you can keep this portion also. But it is better to do in this way. All the variables should be in the same side. Equal to 55. What is the LCM of 3, 4 and 5? This is 60. Look. LCM of 3, 4, 5. This is these co-primes. So multiply 60. 20p. Dividing 3 we get 20. Dividing 3 by 4 we get 15p plus this is 12. Into p plus 40 equal to 55. So what we are getting, 20p plus 15p is 35p, right? Plus 12p plus 480, right? Equal to 60 into 55. 47p equal to 480. 47p equal to right. So p equal to 2820 by 47, 60. So p equal to 60. This is the answer. Okay. So this is all for linear equation. All some different type of sums I have done. So I think if you practice on this, generally these type of sums, these two, this and two, these types of sums are coming in the board, in the exam, in the school exams. Okay, but linear equation is very much required. All the time you need this or this one or simultaneous equation for solving the equation. It is very much needed. Okay, so keep on practicing. You will learn everything. Okay, thank you and thank you for watching.